the adventure begins. Iceland in winter, heading towards the Blue Lagoon. Let's find a camping spot. The time has come to put our gear to the test. Let's make sure our route to the Blue Lagoon is solid. Looks like we are all set. Blue Lagoon, here we come. Finally arriving at the breathtaking Blue Lagoon for winter camping. Time to park and prepare for a magical winter camping experience. Time to unload the gear and get ready for a winter camping adventure at Blue Lagoon. First, clearing the snow to prepare a perfect spot for the big inflatable tent. Unloading the large inflatable tent and bringing it to the prepared spot. Laying out the tent carefully to make sure it fits perfectly on the spot. Inflating the big tent to create a cozy shelter for the winter night. Ensuring the tent is perfectly upright and stable before securing it. Securing the tent firmly to withstand the winter wind. The big inflatable tent is ready for a cozy winter camping night at Blue Lagoon. After setting up the tent, it's time to make it comfortable inside. Organizing the gear to create a clean and cozy space inside the tent. First, setting up a warm sleeping mat to stay comfortable in the cold. Making a comfortable bed for a peaceful winter night. Starting the morning by lighting the stove for a warm breakfast. Cooking a simple but warm breakfast inside the tent. Nothing feels better than a warm breakfast with a magical winter view. After breakfast, I head into the forest to collect firewood for the cold night. Suddenly, I hear a weak sound in the silent forest.
I discover a tiny bird, helpless and freezing in the snow.
I carefully pick it up, hoping I can save its life.
Sometimes the greatest adventure is saving a life.
After helping the little bird, I search for good dry wood for the fire. Now it's time to prepare the wood for the cold night. Chopping the wood into smaller pieces for easy burning. Bundling the firewood to carry it easily back to camp. With the firewood ready, I head back to camp before nightfall. Firewood, I return to camp before the cold evening sets in, placing the wood safely near the tent for later use. A proper fire base is important for safety and warmth. I start preparing the fire to cook lunch in this freezing weather. A warm fire is essential for cooking outdoors. Soon the fire is strong enough for cooking. Even the food freezes in this temperature. Every movement feels harder in this cold.
My hands are cold, but I must keep moving.
A warm meal starts with simple spices. Fire keeps me alive out here. That sound means warmth is coming. Hot food in a frozen world feels like a miracle. Out here, every warm meal feels like victory. Heat is precious in this frozen land. Finally, the meat is perfectly cooked. Each piece feels like a reward in this frozen land.
Hot food in freezing Iceland feels priceless.
After a long, cold day, this warm meal means everything.
After lunch, I visit a nearby animal zoo to relax and explore wildlife.
Seeing these beautiful birds brings calm after the cold wilderness.
Even in this cold land, life feels warm around families and animals. The Arctic fox is perfectly adapted to this frozen world. These animals belong to the spirit of the North.
Powerful birds like these rule the winter skies. After surviving the wild, moments like this remind me of life's balance.
Evenings in Iceland feel magical after a long winter day. The earth breathes here through fire and ice. This land teaches patience and silence.
Fire shaped this land long before snow arrived.
Here, nature never sleeps.
As night approaches, the cold grows stronger.
If you enjoyed this winter adventure, don't forget to subscribe for more.
After an unforgettable adventure, it's time to pack up and head home. Winter camping in Iceland is a memory I'll never forget.